Hey guys, it's Heather, welcome back. Today we're gonna be organizing where I keep all of my makeup, and that is in my bathroom. So I have 3 designated drawers, and then I had some makeup going on in the closet behind me, and I got a bunch of new organizers that I'm really excited to use, and I'm really excited to kind of rearrange this space and just make it look fresh and make it look just very pretty and organized. I picked up a bunch of these organizers from Amazon. Everything will be linked down below so that you can easily find them. So before we get started, for those of you who are new here to my channel, hi, my name is Heather, and I do a bunch of different types of videos from like cleaning and organizing to beauty and lifestyle related. So definitely subscribe to my channel if that type of content interests you, and let's get started. So the first thing I did was take out everything out of the top drawer of my vanity, and this is just everyday stuff that I'm reaching for: contacts, skincare, makeup, things like that. Next up, I'm gonna clean out the drawers. I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's and the scent Peony. For all the drawers, I decided to go with clear acrylic organizers. This one is from the brand Whitmore, and they just work perfectly in this space. I especially love all the different sections, and I will link these ones down below. Now, a lot of the organizing process is a lot of trial and error, just kind of playing around, see what works where. And I like to organize each thing by category. This just keeps things neat and easily accessible. So I put all of my skincare up in the top right-hand corner. And then more of my everyday makeup products down towards the bottom. All right, here's how it's looking so far. Next, I'm gonna move on to my middle drawer. This is where I keep all of my foundation, blush, highlight powders, bronzer, face moisturizers, things like that. So first up, I have this 4-compartment organizer from the brand Story. They have the best organizers. They're all stackable. These ones are the 3x6 and then the 3x3, and they are so inexpensive. I will link them down below. So the 4-section organizer is perfect for like my moisturizers, and then my primers, my foundations, and then last I decided to put my setting sprays. This worked out so perfectly, and if I want, I can pick it up, I can put it out on the counter. And now when I'm organizing drawers like this, what I typically do is I will start from like the largest to small. So anything that's gonna take up the most room, I make sure that I get that in there and organized, and then I kind of work around it with the smaller items. And these organizers that I'm working with now, they are the Story 6x6 size. And I'm just kind of playing around. Again, it's a lot of just playing around, see what works where. And these ones are really good though, because if you have tons of powders, you can just stack them like one on top of the other. And they're really, really inexpensive. I think that you get a box of 6 of the storage containers for under $15. Okay, so this drawer is just about done, and I'm really liking the way that it is turning out so far. Moving on, we're gonna be tackling all of my lip products and my eye products. Now, there is a lot of them. Like I had mentioned before, I am going to work with the largest components and then move on down to the smaller ones. So I have some lipstick and lip gloss organizers, and then I also got the palette one. Now I'm gonna start with trying to get my palettes in, and then what worked out perfectly were these 2 lipstick organizers, literally fit perfectly inside this drawer. So at this point, I'm not loving the way the palette organizer is looking. I feel like it's very bulky. I feel like things are just not fitting properly, and I'm unable to fit the remaining containers within the drawer. So I'm going to take the palettes out and I'm going to remove the palette organizer, and I'm going to try to work things out a different way and see if I can get a better fit. So this seems to be working much better. I'm able to get all my palettes in, see what I have. It's taking up less space, and now I can fit my single shadows in the longer container. So next up, I'm organizing my mascaras, my eyeliner pencils, and my lip liners in the 3x6 Store Eye containers. And all my lip products better fit in here, because if not, it's time to declutter some. And I'm doing my best to organize all of my lip products by brand and by shade so that I can easily find them. And lastly, I'm putting in all of my eye makeup brushes. So here's the final result of all 3 drawers. I hope you guys got some ideas and tips on how to organize your space, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.